State of public emergency declared in Clarendon and St Catherine.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Prime Minister Andrew Holness has announced states of public emergency in Clarendon and St Catherine to address the spiraling crime in those parishes. Speaking at a press conference at Jamaica House on Thursday morning, the 5th of September, Holness said the state of emergency will be in effect for between 14 days and 3 months.
The Governor General has so declared that a state of public emergency exists in the communities specified in the schedule, that is to say, the entire area comprising the parishes of Clarendon and St Catherine. This proclamation of a state of public emergency shall remain in force unless revoked for a period of 14 days or for such longer periods, not exceeding 3 months. This should come as no surprise. The last time I was here, I virtually indicated that the next time that I'm at this podium declaring a state of public emergency, there would be one in the parish of Clarendon. St. Catherine is an addition to that by virtue of the statistics and all the intelligence that we have.
Meanwhile, Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson said year to date, the parish of Clarendon has been responsible for 100 murders, while 91 persons have been killed in the St. Catherine South Police Division and 66 in St. Catherine North.
The high level of violent crime which is being experienced in the parishes of Clarendon and St. Catherine since the start of the year is at a scale and nature such that it greatly endangers public safety. The Clarendon Division has historically been one of the most violent regions in the country, with a number of gangs engaged in inter- and intra-gang conflicts or other criminal enterprise. Already, since the start of 2019, the Clarendon Division has recorded the second highest number of murders at 100. The St. Catherine South Police Division has seen an increase in murders of 50% over last year's number to currently sit at 91 murders since the beginning of the year. St. Catherine North Division, while experiencing a reduction of 14% over last year, still has had 66 murders this year so far.
Teach them! Hey, yo, yellow! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.